Good morning. Temperatures are going to be on the milder side when you're starting off the day today, and that has impacts on what you're seeing right here. Our road surfaces, we've had some areas where we've had melting, roads are wet. There are some places where temperatures are cold enough that if we do see some melting, it freezes back up and it's a bit icy. We've had blowing snow, so there's a little snow on some of our roads too from the drifting. So it could be a little messy for you as you start off the day today. And then on top of the road surface conditions, we're also looking at some fog causing some lowered visibility in some areas too. So some caution needed here for that morning drive as you're hitting the highway this morning. Here's a look at the latest from one of our DOT cams we've been watching in recent days along I-29, the Pembina area near the border. The road is looking better than it was earlier on. We did have some drifts across the road surface. Looks like plows have come through to help clean that up. That's good. They're out there. I've been checking our DOT maps, seeing those plow locations. And as you see on our North Dakota DOT map, looking kind of like Easter here with the pinks and yellows and purples here on our DOT conditions. And some of us, especially in Devil's Lake surrounding area in light blue here, that's where we're talking about frost in that color scheme. The Jamestown area also experiencing some frost on the road. Yellow means ice, and that is stretching along I-29 for a significant portion in the northern 2/3 of the valley. And then purple means some snow, so Carrington, and then back up in the northeast, Langdon and Cavalier. Over to Minnesota, some pinks and blues here in some of our highways. Some places we've got green on the map. That's what we want to see. Road conditions that are typical for this time of year. And then there are spots where we do have some ice and snow on the road. There's still a little bit of wind. Thief River Falls, Roseau reporting winds gusting into the 20s to near 30. And it's out of the south, so it's warmer air taking over, but again, still causing some light blowing and drifting in spots. Temperatures mid-20s to some low 30s around the valley. We're at 31 in Fargo, 30 in Grand Forks, so very warm to start off today with those numbers. And radar not showing it well, but there is a little mist out there this morning with overcast skies. So again, right now we've got that overcast view in Fargo at the moment, and our planner showing temperatures not changing much, but we'll be in those 30s coming up for this afternoon. Let's take a look at our air mass that we'll be experiencing in the next few days and throughout the week ahead. Again, the Arctic air in pink and purple, back where it belongs, way up north and out of here. We're kind of in that middle range where we're still experiencing temperatures around freezing, but not as frigid as we were. Heading into Sunday night, still kind of in that range, but next week we kind of add another level of warmth. You see some green creeping in. That's warm air punching into the plains, and we'll be on the edge of that, potentially getting some pretty toasty temperatures coming up here. Here's a quick look at our hour-by-hour planner for today. Just holding. It's going to be kind of more of the same throughout the day. Overcast. We'll see temperatures low 30s to some upper 20s, and the wind, that'll be the difference that we experience coming up here for this afternoon, as the wind will ease up and we're looking a lot quieter as far as that is concerned, but more fog on the way for tonight. Your forecast is brought to you by the Innovative Basement Authority.
It just keeps getting worse. The crack keeps growing. The doors and windows stick.
This must be very frustrating. Almost no one connects that these are telltale signs that water is shifting your foundation. But it's okay. We got it.
Oh, this is done growing in this house.
Okay.
The effects of water can be surprising, but at Innovative Basement Authority, we'll do a complete home inspection for free.
Well, here's a look at what we can expect here today. We're going to be seeing temperatures back into the low to mid 30s, and heading into Wednesday, more of the same, with the fog being a possibility for tomorrow morning as well. By the end of the week and into the weekend, not bad. We'll hopefully see more sunshine. It's been a little bit gloomy lately, I know, with this warm up. I'm hoping we can get more sun heading toward the weekend. And then next week, here comes that warmth we were just talking about, up into the upper 30s, and then eventually getting into the low to some mid 40s. Very warm for the end of January and to start off February. A reminder, Groundhog Day on February 2nd. That's next Friday. Right now looks like more clouds, which would mean an early spring. Of course, we know that we always have plenty of winter left, even if winter is as mild as it's looking right now.
Even if it's the month of April.
That's right. Still plenty of winter left.
Punxsutawney Phil stands no chance. We'll see. Thank you, Lisa.